With millions and millions of monthly users on Facebook, you want to be sharing as much content as possible. Today, I'm going to be walking you through my process of uploading videos to Facebook for maximum reach. Let's get into it. All right, so here I am on my Facebook page. The first step is we need to open up the Creator Studio. And to do that, we're going to go to our Publishing Tools tab. We're going to go to Creator Studio. And we are going to upload video. Now, you also note you have the option of uploading to Instagram, but today we are uploading just to Facebook. So we're gonna hit upload video, single video. So I select my video and it's going to start uploading. And this is where the magic happens. You can't just upload a video and forget about it. You gotta get in there and fill out some details. So let's start with title. You want to have a nice hook. So this video is about generating revenue on YouTube, and this is a great clip. It just paused Amanda in just the perfect place. So actually what I'm going to do first off is I'm going to select a thumbnail that's a little bit more flattering here. Typically you want something with both people smiling. All right, this one's good. So now we're going to add a title. We want something that's catchy and short. So let's do something like how to make money on YouTube. Okay, how to make money on YouTube. Something everyone would certainly love to do. Now we're gonna go in and we're gonna write a description. I don't like to be super long with my description on Facebook, but I want a little bit on there, a little bit of meat on there. So all right, so we've got our text in there. Again, when it comes to Facebook, I don't like to be super long about it because people just don't read a ton on Facebook. I'm adding a nice hook here. Want to make more money? Then I go into my explanation here. YouTube is a great tool for supplementing your income. Today, Amanda Horvath breaks down several ways she's using YouTube to create streams of income. You'll also notice that I've tagged Amanda Horvath. This is really important because it's going to alert her and potentially her followers and people that are interested in her that there's more content out there. Maybe somebody goes and they type in Amanda Horvath into the search bar. This video has a chance of popping up. So you absolutely 100% want to be tagging relevant people in your videos. So I've got her tagged. I also tagged YouTube here. Got to tag people, and tagging people is super simple. Just add, and then the name of the person that you want to tag. I might also add a feeling. Let's say we are feeling happy. Any extra additional information you can put in there can help. So this is the next important part. This is tagging. So you want to make sure that you're tagging this video so that Facebook knows who to show it to. So let me show you how we can tag. So simply, we're going to go in here. We're going to type in, let's say we type in YouTube. We're going to add a tag for YouTube. Facebook will also recommend tags, as you can see. So for example, I might do social media. Recommends that. Maybe I'm doing business because we're trying to advance our business. Maybe entrepreneurship. These are some great examples here. I might even type something like affiliate marketing, e-commerce. Just adding in a few different tags here. Okay, cool. So we've got our video details. We've already selected a thumbnail. You can upload a custom thumbnail if you like. Now we're gonna go ahead and update our subtitles. So I actually put the subtitles into the video before I upload, so I'm not even going to do this. If you wanted to upload subtitles, you simply hit this auto generate button and it'll break it down for you. And then you have a chance to also edit to make sure it looks good. I'm also going to create a poll. I think any way you can create engagement is a positive. So I'm going to create a quick poll. I don't do this for all videos, but I'm going to go ahead and add this at the beginning of this video. So a quick question, a quick poll is a good way to keep people engaged and interested in your video. So now that we've completed all our preliminary post creation, let's go to our publishing options. And there's a couple things that you want to keep in mind. So this video was actually recorded on a low resolution camera, which I have upgraded, which is a smart thing, something you should consider doing. This video is also not 3 minutes long. So Generally speaking, when you're uploading videos to Facebook, you prefer for them to be at least 3 minutes long. If they're not, that's okay. They won't get monetized if you have a big following. Listen, at the end of the day, you just want to post as much content as possible. If something is 2.5 minutes long, don't be afraid to post it. Just post it. Just put it out there in the ether. And I'm just going to go ahead and publish now, but you certainly can schedule your video. I would also recommend adding a playlist. That's a really smart thing to do. I'm going to add a playlist for, let's say, YouTubers. So again, quick guide here. You can always add a image. Anything you can add is a good idea. I'm not going to add that for you right now, but that's a good thing to do. Let's go ahead and create our playlist. And let's add it to our playlist. Bam. This is not in a series. And you can add it to other pages that you work with. But that is it. Let's go ahead and hit publish. And we're good. We are done. Congratulations. You have just published and optimized a video for Facebook. Now just wash, rinse, and repeat with your following videos. Make sure not to skip any of these points. All these points are important. All these points are relevant. Hey, if you got any value, do me a favor, make sure that you like the channel and subscribe. I am going to be bringing you tons of content to help you stand out online and create moolah. I'll catch you next time here. Peace.